begin by playing a series of short melodies that they've been learning out of their Essential Elements book. It's a method book that they've been learning from. And we're going to take a little journey on what they've done in the past 3 months. Just 3 months ago, they first opened their cases and they made glorious sounds. A little bit something like this. I'm sure some of you remember. Do you remember that? The memories might be repressed for some reason. We worked long and hard to get that noise into tone. And we soon realized that even if we breathed correctly and held our instruments correctly and did the very best we could, we still weren't necessarily in tune. So we worked on just making one sound that was more pleasant to listen to. We then learned how to differentiate one pitch from another, and soon we were learning how to read music, which is new to a lot of the students on stage. Now, playing by oneself is a little bit easier than playing in a group. It's very easy at home to think that your music is mastered. But when you come to the full group, you realize that maybe there's some inaccuracies or some things that you need to work out as a group. And you also realize that you're not just a soloist, but you're part of a really big group and a really big band. And you contribute not only to yourself and to your family, but also to the band at large. So let's listen to this next song with that in mind. So now we're in sync, we're listening to each other, we're in rhythm, and we're in tune. And now we can play a song that most of you know, one of our favorites, Hot Cross Buns. Now, with 5 notes, beginning on Do, with just 5 notes, we can play many, many beautiful melodies, 2 of which we'll play for you right now. One was written by Mozart.